All right, just want to give you a little update on the pellet grill expedition, the Cabela's 36-inch Pro series elliptical, and I've been doing videos on this, and I just want to give a little bit of an update. I noticed that while I had the lid down, that there's a lot of smoke leakage. You can see the white or the grayish smoke leakage around the edge. So what I did is I went and online in Amazon and I found these Island Indoor LLC.com felt sealant tape, and also I bought the RTV that went along with it to put it on the gasket. It has sticky on the back of it, but I don't expect that to last. So what I did is I wiped this down real good, make sure it would be really a place for the sticky to stick. And what I plan on doing is going all the way around the edges. Now, one of the things that I noticed that when you shut the door is that the gap here is very minimal. The gap behind here, which is going to cause a problem. So what I'm thought about doing to curb that problem is I'm going to maybe have to remove these screws and lift the door up just a little bit on the back to get it where it'll stand off a little bit, where the seal will make and the smoke won't roll out, or the lid will close all the way. So I'll give you an update. Also took the cap off. I was going to try maybe doing a little bit of smoke stoppage here, so to speak, with something to allow less smoke to come out, so the smoke will build up in here a little bit further, and that's what causes the meat to get smoky. And I'm using mesquite again, mesquite pellets from Walmart. They're about $9 a bag. I don't know how good or bad they are. I haven't tried anything else. So I just want to give you a little update. After I get this done, this seal put on, I'll show another video added to this, what it looks like. So stand by.
I just want to say I really like this narrow felt. Goes right around the edges of the door perfectly. I don't think you need the silicone. You skip that. There's enough sticky on the back of that to make it work.
All right, good morning everyone. It's Father's Day 2018, and last time I started on the felt going around the lid, and I wanted just to finish that up this morning. I got it all put on. Actually, it was done a couple weeks ago, but I wanted to show you how this looked, and it worked perfectly. Didn't have any problems. It still stuck very good. Didn't put any silicone sealant on it at all. Kind of silicone glue. It worked very well. No leakage around the edges on the smoke. So I'm very glad, very satisfied with the product. So just a little update, and I'm going to be doing a brisket today. So if you want to watch that video, I'll have it up for too long. Have a great day.